Special Agent Fox Mulder here, and we've just tabbed our way a fair way along the trail here, down about halfway between Somerville and Tyabb, and we're here to film a couple of trains that we can get. We'll certainly get the passenger train going past, the old Doodlebug, and fingers crossed for the freight train. Didn't run last week. I don't know what's going on with her. They kept her out last week, or I'm not sure. So hopefully we'll get that, but yeah, no promises. And yeah, we've just got a little bit of, looks like we might get a little bit of bounce going if we do get a freight train here. So yeah, we're at, like I said, halfway between Somerville and Tyabb, so we're roughly around 60 kilometres southeast of Melbourne in Victoria, Australia. And we're watching trains of Westernport and Victoria and the Steel Horse Australia. So, oh yeah, this is what I meant to show you here. What we have here is the crossing signal, because there's a crossing about 200 metres up there. So he's got to take that crossing at 50, and that's just a marker there. It's saying Bungower Rd, but there's all obviously caveman scrawl over the top of it. And yeah, that's made it a reused rail. Okay, let's wait for these trains. If you're panning around at the beautiful sky we've got today, try and find some koalas at some point too over the next couple of weeks. Been trying to see them a bit further down the track there. There might be some action, so cool. So this section of track here, actually, before we start the train, is no one comes down here. So these sections are some of the worst kept because no one actually sees them. So, all right, stop shaking that camera there. There we go, that's better. Steady cam. All right, let's wait for these trains. Couple of old rigs down here. Looks like an old Range Rover or maybe a Land Cruiser. Some sort of pickup truck. An old high ace. Yeah, bloke down here is allowed the local school to come down and do some street art, as they call it, along down here. That's quite old now. It's probably about 10 years old. Maybe some of it's a bit more updated. Yeah, hopefully there's no swear words in there. I can't see any. A huge pile of rail clips there. Can't be touched there, within the 2.5 metre boundary of the track, which is privately owned. And there's a insulator for the concrete rail sleepers, I'll say in the Australian lingo, or ties for those in America. So yeah, there's quite a number of them. They're the clips that hold the track up and down. The spikes actually stop the gauge from widening. So yeah, there's two different sorts. There's an up and down clip, and the spike holds it so it doesn't separate and go do the splits. Cool. Okay, Doodlebug ahoy. Heard his horn. Yeah, had a different horn on yesterday. But the purple and yellow units on there sounded like a car horn. I didn't know it was coming, and I thought that was just a car horn. Yeah, we got a good shot of him yesterday going over the switch. So the crossing's about 500, maybe 700 metres down there, half a mile, and he should be coming through any second. Bit of plane action there from the Tyabb airport, which is just over my back shoulder, so behind the camera here I can see a light. Yeah, I had a slow order yesterday. I don't know what the go was with that. See if he gets the whip out today. Hopefully he does. uneven ground here. Oh yeah, he ain't hanging around. Horn salute, alright. Oh yeah, he's motoring Jack. He ain't hauling the mail because he ain't got no mail on him, but he's certainly booking. Cool as. Following down the track there a little bit further. Over the hill. Coolio on the gang. Alright, we'll just hang around and we'll see what other trains we can get. Beautiful day for a flight, obviously. There's our axle counter. Seems like they might have these every 500 to 800 metres on the track. Of course, that tells the driver there's been a separation. Another one away from Tyabb Airport. Okay, next train along. Hopefully we get the Steel Horse Australia. It's a little bit far down the line, so I'll get in position to film him. Okay, Steel train ahoy. So what he's got on the front of him here today, Rail Asset Manager or the Cube Logistics. Pretty cool horn. EMD SD70s, ACEs that come from America, and we build them up here. Tractive motors. Here she comes. Go. Rail First Asset Manager on the front. Horn salute as well. Track bend there. No hoppers, just coils. Cool as. Finally caught him. Awesome. Steel Horse Australia, over the hill. About to enter Tyabb. Cool as. No hoppers on her today. Must have kept them out. Alright, let's wait for the next train. As you can see, we're only 50 kilometres southeast of Melbourne here. It's quite rural. A lot of hosses down here. I've been looking up in the gum trees. I can't see any koalas, but that don't mean they're not there. Mixture of gum, she oak, tostrum, and then we've of course got the pine trees, which you use primarily for windbreaks. Conifers as well. Cool. Couple of bellbirds over there. They're hard to see. You can hear their bells, their bell calls. They're not that common around here. Unusual find. Okay, so we moved about 2 clicks down from Bungower Rd now, right out in the middle of the scrub. Just heard the horn of the next train coming along. Come around that corner and up the hill. There she is. Running a bit late. Pedal to the metal. Rightio. Heading over the hill. Cool. Okay, well that's been 3 Train Tuesday on Special Agent Fox Mulder, and go ahead and like and subscribe, or leave a comment, turn on your notifications, or whatever goes on, and I'll catch you in the next one, and that'll be Special Agent Fox Mulder out.